everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do some makeup. I'm going to try use all cruelty-free. I don't have a lot because I went cruelty-free like recently. So we're going there. If you are or want to go cruelty-free, then check my videos that I have done already. Subscribe to my channel. I have also like really big project coming out. Accordingly, the topic. Stay tuned. Main point or goal of this video is to tell you 30 things I have learned in 30 years, because I wrote down 15 fashion things, 5 beauty things, and then 10 life lessons. I wrote also 20 things I would tell to 20-year-old self. That's on my blog, so you can also like follow there. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I also have my kind of smoothie. It has a pineapple, banana, and orange. Let's start. Most difficult part was to find my base that will be cruelty-free. I found a CC cream, which is kind of, I think, Spanish or French brand. It says it's cruelty-free, so I thought, okay, let's try it. Also, I think it's too dark for me. Maybe as it is summer, then it will not be so bad. But let's see. Let's start with fashion things that I have learned in my 30-year life. Invest in accessories. I have learned and understood that if you have just 2 or 3 great bags, 1 good sunglasses, high quality, classy, that goes with everything, or like purposely for some occasions that you always need, then you are covered and you look really like put together. You look very luxurious, and you don't need anything a lot, like just invest in a few good accessories. The same goes about shoes. But about shoes, I go to the second point. Footwear must be comfortable. I started to follow this rule in the last 5 years maybe, that footwear must be comfortable, doesn't matter anything else. Kind of invest also in footwear because foot like health is so important. Third, great wardrobe around essentials. Be sure you always have things that you can create your outfits around. For example, a few basic tees, great pair of jeans, great leggings. Also investing like in a good pieces of essentials. Then you can just buy a few fun pieces, like trendy pieces or colorful pieces. You don't need to spend a lot of money on. Minimalistic jewelry is all you need. Again, I used to buy yellow earrings, have some fun green earrings, and I bought everything. By the way, this is Sleek Light Proof Concealer. I sell my clothing and I have started to add these jewelry pieces like a gift and surprise for people. Minimalistic few gold and silver pieces, depends on what you like. It's like a key and you will use it a lot, and again you will just look put together. You will look like you understand fashion. You will look very classy, elegant, intelligent, and so on. The next one, do not waste much money on trends. That's what I mentioned a little bit before. Trends come and go. Don't put so much attention on trends. It's a waste of money. That's not really ecological as well, not really smart. Just look what your style is, because I feel like people nowadays just kind of go over trends, spend money, and doesn't feel fulfilled no matter how many clothing they buy, how many trends they buy, and they kind of lose themselves, their personality, their styles. Follow your style, look at your body, what suits you. Not everything is going to suit you and look good on you. And then we are going with next kind of one stop, powder foundation. Next one, find outlets, shopping apps, and discounts to save up. That's what I do lately, and I think every online purchase I have done is always with some discount code or some kind of sales, because I try to save up a little bit when I shop. First off, I still like to buy high quality and brand clothing, but I still want to save up a little bit if I can. Always check on Google and everything many times. There will be discount codes that people share. I've discovered some shopping apps. I have talked about them before as well. One is with Best Secret, that I purchased the best, cutest sandals ever. I will not get into details about it because I have talked about it in my previous videos. It's like an invitation only. I have still, it's like outlet where it's like all kind of brands, even Dior and everything, and the prices are like amazing. Shein Honey browser extension, also going to link down below. It's literally a browser extension that you put on your laptop. It's really easy, it's like automatically happens, and whenever you go to the pages to shop, it like pops up and tells you like, oh, there's a discount code available for this page, so it like automatically search discount codes and you get the best offer. That's the way how I have saved up, link down below as well. A sleek palette, face form palette, contouring palette, which has like everything you need. This one I use it for trips normally, but as I don't have bronzer or blush that is cruelty free, I'm going to use this palette now. Be classy over trashy. Classy will always win. Confident women are classy, not trashy. Always remember that you don't need the cheap attention from men. Remember that usually confident women do not need to show boobs or ass all the time. Organize your closet often. Oh, that's what I have been doing recently as well. Like I always post also videos on my YouTube, literally how I organize closets. And I do like twice a year kind of a big organization before summer and before winter. It just helps you organize everything. Don't also hold on to things you don't wear at all. It will be easier for you to find things, style up your outfits. It will be faster. Also you'll realize what's missing, then you can make like a shopping list what you really actually need to buy. Next one, sell clothing you do not wear. That's also what I have started to do. I sell on Depop, but on Depop I'm not really active. It's too difficult for me as well. It's mostly for UK I think as well, so it's really the shipping and stuff is more difficult. As I'm in Spain, I am on Vinted, which is like Spanish French I know kind of site. I sell a lot in there, so you can find whatever works for you. Now I'm going for sleek solstice palette. It's like one of the best. Dress for your body type, as I said, pretty important. Otherwise, like, just makes sense. It's an art to dress accordingly to weather or occasion. Oh yeah, it is an art, and I'm not sure I know this art enough, but it's really important. People will notice if you wear like a coat and it's like 30 degrees outside, and I mean Celsius, it will look weird. Or for occasion, this is again about the trashy thing. You don't go to job interview in a bralette, no one will hire you. And that's actually a true story. I have heard people do that, and even worse. No. Always have a little black dress or jeans, period. Nude bra is everything. I discovered nude bra is way better than white bra. Underneath like white clothing or transparent clothing, it's so good, so you need to have one at least nude bra. And boob tape is god for bigger bust ladies. That I discovered literally like 1 week ago. If you have like bigger bust, many times you cannot choose so many dresses just because you cannot wear bra, then you need to have boob tape and learn how to use it. Then we go to the beauty. Cruelty free all around. Yes. Girl, cruelty free. I don't see any other way now. Invest in lipstick and eyeshadows. Lipstick because it's your lips. Everything toxic goes into your body. Also on skin obviously everything goes, but on lips especially you just eat it. Be careful, don't buy the Chinese one. Eyeshadow, just because, at least for me, I don't use so many eyeshadows, and usually I use like a classy ones and for classy looks, so it's better to have like 1-2 good quality eyeshadow palettes, and that's all. I will use NYX Contour Freak Eyebrow Gel. Eyebrows is everything. The next one. I did not plan this. Eyebrows is everything. I usually go also to the salon where I found like the best specialist who makes like the best shape for my brows. Frames your whole face, and I feel if I do eyebrows I can just put mascara on and I don't need any more makeup. Don't waste money on mascara. Yes, just buy cruelty-free mascaras. Affordable brands has a really great mascara, so you don't really need to waste money on it. I used the same sleek solstice palette, and I used this cream shade, and I use it as an eyeshadow. Skincare is more important than makeup, definitely, especially if you are in your 30s already. If you take care of your skin, you will not need as much makeup. To invest in your skincare way more than in your makeup. And let's go to the life lessons. So now I use Naked 2 eyeshadow palette to make my crease a little bit darker, make my eyes a little bit pop out more and a little bit deeper. No one cares about you. That's the harsh lesson I learned. People are like really big egoists, and their ego is really big, and many times they think they do it for you with their tips or anything, but usually it's just for them. No matter if it's family or friends, many times it happens. Only you are responsible of your actions. Exactly, and your life. You can blame how you want, gender and race or anything else, but at the end it's only your life and only you control it and only you are responsible about it. Better learn it earlier or you will have a lot of problems in life. Only in difficult times you are going to understand who is your true friend. That's like literally it. Like when you are down, when you have like a really horrible day, call your friends and see who comes. And that way you will see who you can delete from your life. Because T, do not trust anyone. Also T, do not trust anyone. You can only trust yourself. Therefore you need to take care about yourself. Love yourself and be confident. I use NYX for the Hype Mascara. Health is based on few elements. It's also pretty a trendy topic now because everyone's just saying that vaccines and pills going to give you good health, but they only ruin your health. So diet, and I mean diet like just balanced like meals and stuff, activities, sleep and stress levels. These elements are important for your health. Next one, nothing's promised. Literally your life can change in 2 minutes. I have had twice in my life that in the same day or week I lose my apartment, my boyfriend, well, boyfriend like guy I'm dating kinda, and my job. Nothing's promised. You can lose everything in one day. That's the harsh truth, but everything happens for a reason. After a shithole always comes mountains. Also because when I was like that and I was literally almost broke down in the middle of a street and I thought life is a living hell, and my friends were saying don't worry, I know it seems like it's horrible but it will get better, and you don't believe in that moment, but it always gets way better than it was before. I think it's when you really get off the track from where you need to go, when you really don't follow where you should go and where you need to be and what's healthy for you, that's when life like throws you off and be like, nope, that's not your way. Some things will only come when you are ready for it, period. No matter how hard you try, no matter how sometimes you're like, I want relationships, I want love, I want children, I want to blah blah blah. If you're not ready for it, life is not going to give you that. It will come when you least expect it and when you're ready for it. Next one, no one will respect and love you if you will not respect and love yourself. Yes, I cannot speak now. First you need to learn to accept yourself, love yourself and respect yourself. If you will not, no one will. You cannot cry about men not respecting you if you don't respect yourself. Usually you show pretty well with your actions, with your attitude, with your even clothing choice, with how you talk, with how you act. If you love yourself or respect yourself, and accordingly to that, people are going to treat you. There was a hair like Jacqueline Hill, is that you? Last one, life is short, live, laugh, scream, cry and travel. By the way, this lipstick is from Smashbox, a really nice one. And then Jeffree Star and Morphe. I think this is cruelty-free, right? It should be, but I'm not sure. And that's it. Which one of my life, I don't know, advice points did you like? Comment down below. Let me know if you want more cruelty-free kind of either hauls or whatever videos like hauls or like makeup tutorials and so on. And like and subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye!